Welcome to Helsinki. So we got the ferry over from Tallinn in Estonia, and now we're stood at Helsinki Cathedral. Overlooking over here, there's a Finnish flag over there and a Swedish flag. To the east of Finland, you've got Russia. To the north, you've got Norway. To the west, you've got Sweden, and to the south, there's the Bay of Finland, and then Estonia. So you can get to quite a few countries from this little space here. We're going to show you around Helsinki. I'm with Tanya again on this little adventure. We're just going to see. We haven't planned anything, so you'll see what we're seeing as we see it. Enjoy. Is known as Suomi in Finnish, not to be mistaken with the Sami people who live in the north. They're like the indigenous people of this region, the Sami region. We're at this church, it's got gold top domes. Probably reminds Tanya of Orthodox churches in Kiev. So Finnish is one of the Uralic languages. There's a Finnish flag. The others are Estonian and Hungarian. That might interest you a bit. Like, there's well over 500,000 people who live in Helsinki. You can see that church we've just up before, the cathedral, it's over there. We've not been here long and we're just kind of wandering around, seeing what's going on. It's pretty cold, it's about 2 degrees, 3 degrees. A bit windy, but it's very dry. Which is good, no snow. The harbour, and there's like a little market going on here, and then there's a Ferris wheel over there. There's actually a theme park slightly north, but it's closed. Class. So we're just walking around looking for stuff to do. It's fairly pleasant, weather's getting a bit better, and in terms of money, it's expensive here. So we just had a big bowl of soup and a sandwich, 2 drinks, and it cost 20 euros. Big change from Ukraine, Italia. So there's that church we were at before. And we're gonna walk down to see a church that's carved inside stone apparently. That'll be interesting to see. So we'll see you there. So you can see on that car there, that car's from the Åland Islands, which is an autonomous state. And it's like an island between Sweden and Finland. And there's talks that it's going to potentially turn into a country at some point. I don't know, I'm not sure I'll ever go. It's so small. But anyway, we've just arrived at this church that's carved into rock. Check this out, and then we'll show you inside if we go in. It's 3 euros to get in to a church. I won't be paying that, so you can have this view from inside. You can see right at the back that it's carved into rocks like this. So basically they've just put some seats and an altar in front of some rocks. No, I'm not paying to go in there. That's a 25-minute walk. On to the next thing. Sweets. And that's it for today's video. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.